Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how my brows go from this to this. So just keep on watching. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm going to go in and brush my eyebrows up. Once I go in and brush them up, I'm going to go in with my MAC brow pencil and I'm going to follow my natural shape and apply that to the bottom of my brows. And then I'm just going to continue to do that on both brows. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go in with my Ardell Stroke-A-Brow pen and I'm just going to start drawing some hair-like strokes in my brows and any places that are sparse. Once I do that, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil and brush my brows down, and I'm going to apply that to the top part of my brow. I'm still making sure that I'm staying within my natural shape. I'm not going any higher on my brows. I am still within the shape of my brows and the thickness of my brows. And I'm just going to use that until I get the desired darkness that I like. And then I'm going to repeat that on the other brow. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my pomade and just touch up any areas before I go in with my concealer. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just sculpt out the bottom of my brows, making sure everything looks neat and clean. Once I sculpt it out, I'm going to go in with a brush and just make sure I blend everything out. I don't want any harsh lines, so I'll blend everything out with a brush. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way foundation and just repeat that same process on the top of my brows. And once I do that, I'm just going to go in with a brush and I'm going to blend, blend, blend. That is important in this part, just making sure you blend all your concealer and foundation out. I like to use my foundation because I want it to blend with the rest of my makeup when I do it. So that's why I use my foundation instead of concealer. I don't want any harsh lines. Alright, so once I'm done cleaning up the top, I'll just go in with my foundation on the bottom and just clean up any areas that I feel need to be cleaned up. And then I just brush everything out, make sure everything is nice and tight. And then I'll go in with my brush and just fix anything that I may have messed up when I was using that concealer. Once I'm done with that process, I will go in with my Anastasia brow gel and clear and just brush my eyebrows up and make sure everything looks good, and then my eyebrows are complete. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. Please subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video.